Today we're making a Greek sheet pan chicken that's as delicious as it is simple.
Hi, I'm Laura. Welcome back to Dinner and a Side, where my sister and I share our favorite dinner combos. It's a little rainy today, so it's a bit dark in this kitchen, but we're gonna fix that and get busy making dinner. Sheet pan meals are perfect for busy weeknights. This dish is flavorful and really low effort. It has all the classic Greek flavors like lemon, garlic, oregano, and olive oil, and every bite is packed with bright, savory goodness.
And since everything is cooked on a single sheet pan, cleanup is a breeze.
I'm gonna start out today by prepping the chicken, and Angie's gonna get the veggies ready. If you're prepping this for dinner, it's only gonna take you about 15 minutes to get it ready for the oven.
I love quick meals like this.
You definitely wanna get started on the chicken first because it needs to marinate for about 15 minutes. If you can remember to do this the night before, you can marinate it overnight and it'll have even more flavor. I'm gonna combine the olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, Dijon, oregano, thyme, salt, and pepper. Now remove about a third of this sauce to pour over the veggies later on. Then pour the rest over the chicken. I'm using bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast if you want, but just keep in mind that it won't take as long to cook. Just get it nice and coated in there. We're gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes while Angie prepares the veggies. By the way, in case you missed something or you want to see all the ingredients, we have the recipe right down in the description for you.
Okay, this is gonna be super easy. I've got zucchini, yellow pepper, and red onion to slice. You can use whatever veggies you prefer, which makes this meal super versatile. But today we're sticking with the typical Greek veggies. Remember that marinade Laura saved? I'm just gonna drizzle that over the veggies and give them a quick toss. All right, I'm ready to pass this on to Laura so she can finish it up.
Okay, thanks. Well, the chicken has been marinating for about 15 minutes now, so I'm just gonna pull them out of the marinade and put them right here on top of the veggies. Now we'll just roast this for about 30 minutes. Okay, this has been cooking for about 20 minutes now. The final step here is to add the olives and the feta. Just scatter those around the tray. And we'll roast this for about another 5 minutes. Let's check the chicken temp. It needs to get to 165 degrees and then it's done. And that looks really good to me. Let's plate it up. Add a little parsley and adjust the seasoning if necessary. A little bit more salt doesn't hurt. Doesn't this look great? It turned out amazing. We're having some friends over for dinner tonight. This is what we're eating. Super excited. Let's just plate a little bit of it up. I'm excited to try it. And we'll just grab a nice piece of chicken and put it there on the side. All of these things on the dish just look so pretty.
This recipe is so easy to make and so flavorful. If you're looking for a healthy weeknight meal, you can't beat it. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for even more great dinner recipes, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified of our next video.